Guys, I seriously scored big this time. Just got my hands on a thermal imaging camera, the Spark 1, and man, it blew my mind. You know how these thermal cameras usually go for 500 plus? I was about to bite the bullet until I saw the specs on the Spark 1. Instantly dropped everything else. Why? Because it's got higher resolution, faster refresh rate, wider temperature range, and it's only $249.99. Talk about insane value for money. This beast has a 256/192 resolution, way sharper than anything else at this price point. The detail is next level. And the refresh rate? Not some choppy 8 Hz. It's a super smooth 25 Hz, which is perfect for tracking moving targets. Even crazier, it can measure temps up to 550 degrees C. Most others tap out at 400 degrees C. Huge difference. Oh, and the sensitivity? We're talking 50 milli-K. It picks up the tiniest heat changes like a pro. Whether you're finding air leaks, checking circuits, or heading out for some night exploration, this thing is a beast. I honestly can't wait. Unboxing and field test coming real soon. If you've been eyeing a thermal cam, this is the one to grab. The true king of value in thermal imaging.